This is the app I'm creating for Clover. If you log in at the login page, you're going to go Sally at lemonadestand.com with Lemonade 1. And this is the dashboard the customer receives. What this app is, it is QR code based ordering with text messaging for order pickup. This is designed for venues who have long lines or would like to optimize their customer flow. It brings all their orders into this dashboard, which is a Kanban style dashboard. It also sends the orders to Clover. So we can also pull all of the customer's menu items from Clover from the POS. We can go import it from Clover. Down here we have one in our sandbox environment. We have drinks, and that's the category that it was in, which was pulled from Clover. And here we have lemonade, which also shows the item modifiers as a lemon slice, which was also pulled from Clover. The basis is QR codes. You can place these at your venue, or if you'd like to do mobile ordering, you can place these wherever on your website. You also get a menu link. Each QR code is linked to a specific menu. So you can generate a QR code, label it your patio, select a menu. You can use table numbers. This is good for restaurants as well. Context type, you can select that. You can put a label on it. You select your service mode, counter pickup, table service, or you can do a hybrid service. This will also work well. The fallback menu, if the menu was deleted for whatever reason, it will fall back to venue default. You can also add a time window when this menu is available. And then you click generate, which then generates your QR code. If we take this link and someone were to scan it, we then see Sally's Lemonade Stand. And here are the drinks that are imported from Clover with lemonade as available. It would show unavailable or out of stock if this was marked unavailable in the POS system. We can now customize our order. We'll go ahead and select a lemon slice and add that to cart. If we then view our cart, it shows our order. You can input your phone number, input your name, any special instructions. You then consent to the SMS and continue to payment, which then takes us to Clover, and they can complete their order. This will then kick off an SMS message, which you can select your SMS type, whether you're using table service, counter pickup, or a hybrid/quick serve option. You get order confirmation. There are a couple to pick from. You also get optional inserts. This is the live preview, so this is the text that would have occurred if I would have placed my order. And then I can also test that SMS to my phone if I'd like to as an app user. When the order is ready for pickup, you can also again choose these. And then you have optional inserts here. Again, another live preview, and you can test that as well. The other cool feature for this application is you can funnel reviews to your service as well. So you can set how long after a customer has placed the order to then ask them for a review. Currently, we don't have URLs, embedded URLs in text messaging because of compliance, but that will come at a later date. Again, they have a couple different optional text messages they can send. They can include the customer's first name, and then there's a live preview, and you can test that. Again, here's the autocomplete after ready. So if it's for pickup style venues, you can automatically mark orders complete. however many minutes after they're marked ready, which will then send the SMS for the venues that don't close orders in their POS or in the dashboard. So you also have billing integration, which for Tadun, this can cost you nothing. You can choose the customer to pay for that 2%, which is added to the Clover checkout when they check out, or you can collect it as a tax item for yourself, and then you would then pay that and input your billing email. Here's POS integration. We have Clover currently connected, and we are syncing our catalog from Clover. You have your account settings here, and you can add team members where you can then use the dashboard or use it for your back of house. We can add a team member, and this has access controls, what they could access to if the login never expires. Perhaps you're using it for a dashboard on a tablet or something in the back of your house. And you can do an invite, email link, or SMS with login and invite instructions. Yeah, and then you also get analytics, which will show you your orders, your revenue, your average order cost. This will also be improved later on to include order times, etc. You can choose 90 days, 30 days, 7 days, or today. Again, it is a QR code-based ordering system that allows you to send a text message when customers' orders are ready and also funnel reviews back to your business. Ta-done.